Hey guys, it's Ryan with AIinsidertips.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create logos for free using AI. Now, this may look familiar to you as this is the logo of AI Insider Tips, but I am inside Midjourney, and Midjourney currently costs about $10 per month. And this process to create this logo with AI took me about 30 minutes in total, with learning everything and the prompts and adjusting and just everything else involved in this process for creating the logo for AI Insider Tips. Now, Midjourney still is a very good tool for AI art and image generation, but I want to show you some free options here that are also a lot more efficient than Midjourney if you're looking for something a lot simpler. So guys, the first thing that I would suggest you do is access the Bing or Microsoft Image Creator, which is powered by DALL-E. Now, DALL-E is OpenAI's image generator, and to access this, guys, all you need to do is have a free Microsoft account. As you will see, I am signed in here under my account. You'll also notice here that you have 100 coins or whatever the currency is here, 100 boosts. But for the most part, this tool is completely free to generate AI images. So you'll see here, just like any AI tool, you need to give it a prompt to generate an image. So I'm just going to do create me a logo for my digital marketing agency called Thrive15 Media. And then you're going to have to give it, a few seconds here while it is loading. I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead, guys, when this is finished. And let's see what this tool gave me. All right, guys, so as you'll see here, nothing spectacular in my opinion, as I didn't even ask it for colors, typography, and I didn't even get into the nitty gritty of, all the details that go into creating a high quality logo. So let's say I want to come up with a better prompt here, to prompt the Microsoft Bing image creator on something that I could get a better output instead of these images it gave me here. All right, so if I hop over to ChatGPT, what this is going to help me with is to create a better prompt for the Bing image creator and also Midjourney and any other AI image generators that you would want to use for generating AI images. So with ChatGPT, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to enable a plugin called Photorealistic. I'm going to click it as it's in my list of plugins here. If you do not have Photorealistic, you'll need to go to the ChatGPT plugin store and then type in photo, and you should see it pop up in the plugin store. So once you've installed it here and it's enabled, I'm actually going to copy and paste a prompt that I had previously written before this video. And I'm going to say, create a professional high-resolution logo for my digital marketing agency called Thrive15 Media. Please use blue and white for the colors, incorporate a rocket ship and a city skyline somewhere in the logo. Now, guys, just like anything with AI tools, the more details that we can provide in the prompt, the better outputs that we are likely to receive. So I'm going to hit enter here and see what happens. And as you'll see, it says using photorealistic in the background. And what this is going to do is this is going to create different prompts that I can copy and paste into AI image generation tools such as the Bing image creator. And this is particularly designed for Midjourney, but I'm very curious to see how these prompts interact with other AI image creators besides Midjourney. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this first prompt here, and I'm going to come back to the Bing image creator. And I'm going to hit back here. I'm actually going to hit X, and we're going to start fresh here. So I'm going to refresh the page here, delete everything in here, and I'm going to paste that first prompt from the Photorealistic ChatGPT plugin. And guys, I'm going to wait a few seconds here while the new image is being created in the background. So I'm very curious to see what the Bing image creator comes up with. And right here, this is a lot better than what it generated previously with that other prompt. Again, not Thrive15 like I asked it. You'll see it's a little closer down here. But I like where this is started compared to what was here before. So I'm curious to see too, if I copy and paste this second prompt, I'm curious to see what I'm going to get here. So I'm going to come back. I'm going to copy and paste that second prompt from Photorealistic into the Bing image creator. And I'm going to wait a few more seconds while this new set of images is being created in the background. All right, and as you see here, again, not bad in my opinion of what these images can do. So guys, let's say for some reason that, I want to decide and pick which one should be my logo. I'm going to pick this one just for the purposes of this example. So I'm going to click this, and you'll see I have options here to save, share, download, or customize. Now, what's great about using this AI image generator for free is I can just simply download this logo. As you'll see, it's now in my downloads folder. And the beauty is what I can do is I can open up Canva or any other, free image design software or any graphic design software where you can just, drop images and then do what you want inside the platform. So in this example, you'll see I do have my previous logo here of AI Insider Tips. But let's say I just want to delete this and start from scratch. What I would do here is I'd come over to the left, I'd click upload files, and I would find the file that I just installed here. So I'm going to go to my downloads folder, and it should be this first one, or excuse me, let's filter by date added, and then it should be this first one here of the rocket. And as you'll see, it's uploaded. If I drag over here, and there you go. So now I'm not going to do this in this tutorial, but what the point is, and I hope you guys can understand, is that I can use this free Bing image creator fueled by the help of these ChatGPT prompts to create me, logos for my business. And then once I get the general design, you can download the image, upload into a software like Canva, and then it's really off to the races on anything you want to do design-wise, once it's inside Canva. But again, guys, it's Ryan with AI Insider Tips. Appreciate you watching this video on how to create a logo for free using AI. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment below. Guys, I look forward to creating more content like this in the near future.